This is number 4 on the force problems. So when you get to that section, the force problems, this is number 4. I wanted to show you how to do a problem where they give you the weight instead of the mass. So we know in this section that force equals mass times acceleration. So most of you are doing a great job with these calculations. The problem arises when they give you the weight. We seem uncertain how to go from there. So in this question, they gave me the weight, the force, and they asked for the acceleration. Well, in order to find the acceleration, I need to do force divided by mass, but I don't have the mass. I have the weight. You cannot just plug in the weight for the mass. Weight is equal to mass times the force of gravity. So we can use this equation to find the mass. So 555 newtons is my weight divided by 9.8 meters per second squared. That's the force of gravity. That will give me my mass. Okay, if I just move G over there by dividing by it. So in this problem, I'll need to do 555 newtons divided by 9.8 meters per second. 555 divided by 9.8. I'm going to round to 1 decimal place here. So my mass is 56.6, and that's kilograms. All right, now I can go down here and solve for acceleration. So in these problems where it's giving you a weight, you have to find the mass first using this equation. And G is always 9.8 as long as we're on the Earth. So now that we have our mass, we can go back to finding our acceleration. So acceleration equals force, which they gave me, 777 newtons, now divided by 56.6 kilograms, and I can figure out what that equals, and that would be my answer. Remember to include units on your answers, so that's meters per second squared. All right, that's number 4. Number 5 is similar in that you have to find the mass first. Okay, in those other problems where they give you the weight, you'll work in the same way. All right, so go back and change these if you've already submitted it so that you can get these points.